Another new bird, the rose-breasted grosbeak, is coming to our backyard. The rose-breasted grosbeak, colloquially called cutthroat due to its coloration, is a large, seed-eating grosbeak in the cardinal family Cardinalidae. It is primarily a foliage gleaner. Males have black heads, wings, backs, and tails, and a bright rose-colored patch on their white breast. Males and females exhibit marked sexual dimorphism. Breeding habitat consists of cool temperate open deciduous woods throughout much of eastern North America, with migration to tropical America in winter. Rose-breasted grosbeaks have an average maximum lifespan of 7.3 years in the wild, and up to 24 years in captivity. Death in the wild is generally due to collision with objects, buildings, cars, etc., and predation, to eggs, nestlings and adults. Adult birds are 18-22 cm long, span 29-33 cm across the wings and weigh 35-65 g. Grosbeaks measured during migration in the West Indies averaged 43 grams, while those banded in Pennsylvania average about 45 grams. Very little sexual dimorphism in size is seen. Females were found to be marginally smaller in standard measurements, but in some seasons were marginally heavier than males when banded in Pennsylvania. At all ages and in both sexes, the beak is dusky horn-colored and the feet and eyes are dark. Head, wings, back, and tail, and a bright rose-red patch on its breast. The wings have 2 white patches and rose-red linings. Its underside and rump are white. Males in non-breeding plumage have largely white underparts, supercilium, and cheeks. The upper side feathers have brown fringes, and most wing feathers white ones, giving a scaly appearance. The bases of the primary remiges are also white.